Hello everyone! Today I would like to introduce our 100-watt foldable solar panel, a perfect solution for outdoor and camping needs. Each product is individually packaged to ensure quality and reliability. The packaging is made of thickened 5-layer corrugated cardboard, providing excellent protection against damage during transportation. The foldable solar panel comes with a spacious storage bag, which is ideal for storing wires and other accessories. Included are 55 and 21 male-to-male wire and XT60 to MC4 wire. Both wires are 1.5 meters, making them suitable for charging portable power station. If you need custom wiring, we've got you covered with our customized service option. The unfoldable size of this panel is 1160 mm in length and 580 mm in width, and it weighs just 3.5 kilograms. It's lightweight, easy to use and carry, and very user-friendly. Perfect for outdoor adventures and camping life. This solar panel features an adjustable sport stand. You can freely adjust the panel's angle to ensure maximum exposure to sunlight, enhancing solar power generation. Simply adjust it to face direct sunlight for optimal performance. Continuing, I will introduce you to the output interface of the foldable solar panel. Our foldable solar panel is equipped with 5 output interfaces to meet a variety of charging needs. 2 USB ports, 1 Type-C port, 1 5521 port, 1 XT60 port. These interfaces are often used in our outdoor and camping life. Charge your mobile phones, tablets, or laptops effortlessly by connecting to the USB port. The 5521 line and XT60 line plug can be directly connected to portable power stations for seamless charging. That concludes the introduction to our 100-watt foldable solar panel. If you are interested in this product or have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.